Now 5.4, demo 5.4, reading and writing decimal, octal and hexadecimal numbers. Now you see, all are integer only. These represent three different number systems, but their nature is integer. That's why int a, b, c, three variables I have declared. Now for all of them I want to enter octal value. Octal, what is the specified symbol? That is O, percentage O, percentage O, percentage O, percentage O, ampersand A, ampersand B, and percent C. Now which values I am entering? I am entering octal values. If you have to enter octal values, 0 prefix is compulsory. Otherwise, by default, it becomes decimal. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6, and 0, 5, 6, 7. And one more precaution you have to take, octal. What is the range of digits? 0 to 7 only. If you enter 8, that is illegal digit for that. That point also you remember. And now what you are doing? Now you are writing using printf. You are writing. Now I have inserted hash symbol here. First you try without hash symbol. Without hash symbol in printf, if you write, you would have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5, 6, 7. Even though it is an octal number, the leading 0 is not printed by default. So what should you do? For that purpose, in printf, we are inserting a hash symbol in between percentage and O. Then leading 0 is printed. Then only you can identify it is octal. Otherwise, you simply take them as decimal. That point, very serious point, you must remember and note down. And whenever you want to print leading zeros, you must insert hash symbol there. In the same manner, I am entering values for in a hexadecimal format. Hexadecimal format means now while you are entering, no compromise. You must write leading 0x, 0x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0x, kf. Actually, kf or A to F are valid digits for hexadecimal. They represents A 10 to 15, 10 through 15. A represents 10, B represents 11, like that. You have to understand. Now kf is the valid digits for hexadecimal. 0x kf, 0x face I entered. So here again I want to print with leading 0x. Then what I did? Hash symbol x, hash symbol x. If I don't put this hash symbol here, what would be the output? Output would be 1234 kf face. Those are only printed. So I inserted hash symbol. That's why what are printed, whatever I have given, that is printed. Now one difference you have to find. Here I have given uppercase, but these are by default, these are printed in lowercase. Can't we print in uppercase like this and all that? We can. How? Here for printf, what I have written? I have written lowercase x. Instead of lowercase x, you write uppercase x. Then the kf is printed in uppercase. Face also is printed in uppercase. These are very minute points. Theoretically, you may understand that, but you may not own that. That's why write 2-3 programs on this. By that you can own the concepts, because many points are there. So in order to retain them in the brain and all, very difficult simply by hearing. But you write programs on each and every point. One test program you write and apply all the cases, then you will be perfect over this concept. That is the only way. There is no shortcut. This is the only way what I prescribe for mastering language. Now, the demo number 5.9, reading decimal, octal and hexadecimal values using percentage I conversion specifier. Already explained to you the previous concepts. Percentage I can be used for reading three types of integer values. It may be either decimal, octal or hexadecimal. For reading purpose, you can use same conversion specifier, but while giving values and all that, you must be careful. Suppose you see the input value, this is a decimal value. So in this format, regular format, I want to give octal value, then 0 prefix I have given. If I don't put this 0 prefix, it will be treated as decimal value only. Third one, hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means I prefix 0x. Otherwise, 789, it will be treated as a decimal value. Understand? Here you see that for scanf, percentage I and percentage I. These type of things specifically when you write a program you can remember. Otherwise, you may understand at the juncture, subsequently forget. Okay, now successfully I have given these values, one decimal value, an octal value, one hexadecimal value. Using percentage I am able to get it read. Thereafter, using percentage I only in printf statement, I am getting it written. In this, one very important point you have to notify. What I already told you, percentage I show you difference, how scanf treats, how printf treats. Scanf treats percentage I, a common specifier, conversion specifier for all three types of decimal value. As far as printf is concerned, I have given a different explanation. As far as printf is concerned, percentage I prints signed int, signed decimal int. Okay, now you see I have written percentage I. Then what is happening? It prints signed decimal int. Now we see 123 is printed as 123. There is no confusion in that. Now you see this is octal value 0456. Okay, now this is octal value. The corresponding, then this is not printed. The corresponding and equivalent signed decimal integer value is printed. Automatically it converts octal value into decimal value and then it prints. Okay. Thereafter you see this one 0x, this is hexadecimal, you know that. Now I am using percentage I. As a result of that, what happens? Hexadecimal value is converted into signed decimal value and that is printed. So what you can understand by this, 123 here signed decimal integer, same signed decimal integer. Here this is octal. This is octal equivalent signed decimal integer, that you have to understand. And what is this? This is signed decimal integer equivalent to this hexadecimal value. That means this percentage I, when it is being used with printf, it can convert octal and hexadecimal values into corresponding signed decimal integer values. That point you have to understand. So once again I am telling you, write you give different types of inputs and all that and see the result. See the result, then only you can own the concept.